Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to add Costco membership card to Apple Wallet. Are you having trouble adding your Costco membership card to Apple Wallet? Don't worry, in this video we will help you find a solution for it. As you all know, you can't directly add Costco membership card directly from the Apple Wallet. But don't worry, there is an easy solution. Go to App Store and search for Card Manager. Install the app. After installing, open the app. You will be able to see 4 menus named Gift, Loyalty, Membership and all. Click on Membership and press Add Card. Select Store Card. Now search for Costco. Click on it. Now you can scan your card via the front camera or enter your card details manually. After doing this, click on Save. Once you have saved it, your card will be successfully added.